thing. Stupid!
So I did not know what two-step was, and that's what this competition is. You go back in there, Zach? This guy's like guaranteed to win, dude.
Easy clap.
Dude, that shit is fucking, that's ridiculous, bro. My ears.
Set the bipod up right behind Zach's car. Fuck he is.
Right? Yeah. Are they going anywhere?
Not going anywhere, dude. Yeah, they're so close. Yo, no, we need to leave it there. Zach, it's good luck.
Oh, it hasn't? You guys don't. Oh, thank you.
Just so you can record.
You guys don't understand. It's like, it fucking like hits you. It's like, it's like not even just the noise, dude. It's like the whole, it like fucking slams you in the chest.
Fucking feel all of it.
That's gonna be like competing with Zach, man. Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. Oh, what is he pulling around? I have no idea what they're doing, dude. This is basically like whoever wins. It's either Zach or this other guy. Yeah, watch my shirt, alright, dude? It's fucking nuts. I got earplugs. I don't know, dude. Yeah, I don't know, dude. That's fucking nuts. They both they fucking slam you, dude.
Listen, gotta take. You like that? Let's bring up some more. Let's see what Daddy can do. All right, father of Team Diablo in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's bring it down. Bring it down. Do we have a favorite? Do we have an idea? It's good that you're thinking. It's good that you're thinking. You have an idea.
Zach is probably gonna win, guys. I'm just
Ladies,
saying.
welcome. You're overdressed, but we'll still allow you to come have a good time with us. All right.
888 Mike, 7 lanes, please, for your next round.
Another VW has pulled up
888 Mike,
from
7
Hollow
lanes,
Squad.
please.
My man, what's your name? Zach. Zach. How many members in Hollow Squad? About 30. You see that? You should be embarrassed. He didn't even know how many members of this team. No. But he just beat his dad. Legally. All right. So, you got a tune? You got something going on with it? Okay. I don't want you to tell me about it. I want you to show me. My man in Hollow Squad, Zach, in 3, 2, 1, go! One second. Oh my God! Doesn't matter what I say, no one can hear me at this point. Just yeah. Right. Which one do you like?
I missed the first one.
It doesn't matter, but it's okay. Okay, but we're still gonna play fair. As a point of reference, remember what you just heard with Zach popping off. Point of reference, we're gonna hear the son from Team Diablo, the current champion, is gonna get through 3, 2, 1, go! Zach, you ready? Zach's gonna hit him. We're gonna go back to back. You just heard the son. Now let's hear Zach. 3, 2, 1, Zach, go! That's yeah. Now do you have it? Let's find out. I have an idea. All right, let me hear it for the current champion, Team Diablo in the crate car. You have 3 friends in the crate. Let me hear it for the newcomer, Zach. Woo! Woo! All right, we're going to Tanner. You're going to have to make this happen. My man, you beat your dad, and that's great. You can go home and if you think I'm lying, you can check the plate. We did a show with PFI Speed and the Boosted Boys, and this car won the 2-step competition. That may not mean anything today because our champion is freaking killing it. Here's what we're gonna do. My man, I'm gonna have you introduce yourself and tell me, for the uneducated or the new, it's always someone's first day, what we're looking at. I love how humble you are. Purple Super. We're gonna have our champion do a round, and then we're gonna have you go off. My man, are you ready? You've been slaying it. My champion in the Volkswagen. Give it to me in 3, 2, 1. You're gonna wanna move. I know you remembered what it sounded like, but just in case. Now you shoot flames, Jay, correct? Jay shoots flames. This car, that way. So we know. You got the e-brake up, or you know what you're doing. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's find out. Jay, in the Supra, give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! I told people who were 25 feet away to be aware of the flames. My man's hoodie was white before he was sitting here a minute ago. Would you like to hear them each again? We're going to start with our current champion. My man, you ready? All right, give it to my champion in 3, 2, 1, go! Well done, well done. We're gonna let the blood come back into the skull. I'm not even gonna wait. Jay, do your thing. Stupid! Okay, everybody focus. Focus. I know my
I think it's game over, guys.